Let's make a yummy side dish using those garden vegetables. So I've got a fresh cucumber and I've got some grape tomatoes that I need to utilize. I have an extra tomato on the side just in case I need more tomatoes. Now this is not your classic cucumber tomato salad that I'm making. This is just a little bit different, a different variation. But if you're following along with me, we're going to go ahead and peel that cucumber. And I like to use my potato peeler. It works great for getting the skin off of a cucumber. Just go back and forth with it. This is the easiest way I've found to peel a cucumber. I'm going to dice my grape tomatoes. I'm going to dice my cucumber as well. Not slice, just dice it. And by dicing them, you will be amazed at how it just tastes so much better. This really disperses the flavor throughout this entire dish. And we are going to use 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add a 1-ounce packet of ranch dip mix. Now we're just going to mix this together. And voila, that's how easy it is to make this wonderful side dish.